Hello everyone, and welcome to this explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to be your guide today as we unpack something I'm super passionate about, the Bounded Genie. A lot of people think of artificial intelligence as this wild, uncontrollable force, but actually, it's more like an immensely powerful servant. Think of it like a genie made of smokeless fire, capable of granting almost limitless wishes, but perfectly and safely contained by your logic, your systems, and your command.
Okay, let's dive into this. We are standing on the very edge of the biggest wealth transfer in human history. And sure, the headlines love to scream that AI is coming for your job, right? It causes all this panic and uncertainty. But honestly, that's just the wrong lens to look through. AI is not some threat lurking in the shadows waiting to replace you. It's a profound, world-altering system that's just sitting idle, waiting for your exact command. The people who actually get this aren't retreating in fear. They're stepping up to command the genie.
So how do we actually harness this power? Well, we're going to follow a blueprint based on the ancient power of three: the mindset, the skills, and the agents. Mastering these three commands is exactly what transforms you from a traditional operator, someone who just grinds and executes tasks all day, into a true systems orchestrator. You become the architect of your own AI-powered wealth.
Let's put a number on this: $15.7 trillion. That isn't just some random projection. Experts estimate this is the exact amount of value that AI-driven companies will add to the global economy by the year 2030. It perfectly encapsulates the explosive, almost supernatural capability of this technology. It represents a massive ocean of capital, and it's all flowing directly toward the people who know how to build the right containment systems for the genie.
All right, wish one, the mindset. Let's unlock this first command together. Because before you can ever write a prompt or deploy a shiny new automation, you've absolutely got to master your own mind. You have to stop viewing work through the traditional lens of human labor and start looking at it through the lens of digital leverage.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what I mean. There is a fundamental shift taking place right now. On one side, you have the operator. They execute tasks, they trade their time for money, and eventually, they just hit a natural ceiling. But on the other side, we have the fifth lever disruptor. Naval Ravikant famously talked about the four traditional levers of scale: labor, capital, code, and media. Well, AI automation has completely disrupted that model by introducing a fifth lever. This disruptor orchestrates AI to create exponential impact with minimal personal input.
Seriously, if you're feeling anxious about the future at all, just anchor yourself to this one foundational truth. AI doesn't replace people, it replaces tasks. It's so crucial to understand that it's the middle of the bell curve, the repetitive, predictable, routine stuff that gets automated. Your human ingenuity, your ability to empathize, strategize, and architect outcomes, that is completely irreplaceable. You are not competing with the machine here, you are directing it.
Which brings us to our second command, wish two, the skills. To direct this genie, you're going to need a new language. But don't worry, you absolutely do not need a 20-year computer science degree or a background in coding to make this work.
What you actually need is a lean, highly focused stack of high-leverage capabilities. Those come down to three core architectural skills: prompt engineering, design thinking, and RAG architecture. Look, specific software and platforms are going to change weekly in this fast-paced market. But these three foundational skills, they're permanent. They are the actual logic structures you use to contain and direct the intelligence.
So the crucial point is that prompting is entirely misunderstood by the mainstream. Prompting is not just typing a quick command like a Google search. It's an actual, nuanced conversation with intelligence. It requires real precision, orchestration, and deep, systems-level thinking. You aren't just copy-pasting some viral trick from social media. You're feeding structured context to a model so it can reason right alongside you.
Now, let's demystify a highly lucrative technical concept, RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. Imagine having an AI that has read all of your business documents, your past emails, your operating procedures, and stored them in a structured vault. When you ask it a question, it doesn't just guess or hallucinate generic fluff, it retrieves your exact, specific knowledge in real time. RAG is what gives your AI the deep, contextual memory of an absolute expert, safely constrained by your own professional guardrails.
Okay, once you've got the mindset and the architectural skills nailed down, it's time to summon the workforce. Welcome to Wish 3, the agents. This is where the magic truly happens. AI agents are the smokeless fire of the modern era. They're autonomous, digital team members that never sleep, never burn out, and are perfectly programmed to execute your highly structured workflows. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the sheer contrast in efficiency here.
Think about the old way, managing multiple sales development reps, grinding through manual content creation at midnight, and running expensive, high-burnout call centers. It's exhausting. Contrast that with the new way, deploying an AI closer, a unified content engine, and a 24/7 support bot. It's the elegant efficiency of high-value AI agents utterly replacing the high cost and exhaustion of manual labor.
Let's look a little closer at the content engine. The rule here is incredibly simple. One source equals infinite outputs. You no longer have a content creation problem. You just need to architect the distribution. An AI agent can take a single idea or one video and transform it into a compounding multi-platform brand presence. And the absolute best part? You achieve total omnipresence without ever opening a graphic design tool at 11 p.m. while questioning your life choices.
The leverage here is just incredible. By using tools like Notebook LM or a custom AI repurposing agent, you can feed in just one single long-form video or even a public domain book and instantly extract an entire week's worth of content. 10 short clips, 5 text threads, 3 visual carousels, a full blog post, and a complete email sequence. Boom. It is an absolute masterclass in doing the thinking once and letting the genie do all the heavy lifting.
And for the actual lifeblood of any business, sales, we have the AI closer. We all know the fortune is in the follow-up, right? But human follow-up is often really slow and inconsistent. Well, the AI closer is pure magic. It's a voice or text agent that contacts a lead within seconds of them opting in. It asks qualifying questions, elegantly answers common objections, and actually books the appointment directly onto your calendar, completely on autopilot. Zero manual outreach. Then there's the back end of the business. Get this. A staggering 80% of repetitive customer support tickets can be handled by a properly trained, RAG-enabled bot before a human ever even needs to intervene. 80%! It provides instant, accurate answers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, turning a massive operational cost into a truly scalable trust engine.
We've explored the mindset of the orchestrator, the foundational skills of the architect, and the autonomous agents that do the actual work. It all culminates right here, in our final segment, Command Your Future. You now possess the blueprint. The genie is well and truly out of the bottle, but the power lies entirely in how you can strain and direct it. Let's move to and see how this builds, because the data proves this isn't just a theory. Right now, AI-first businesses are growing at a rate 2.3 times faster than traditional businesses. Moving fast, taking action, and actually deploying these intelligent systems creates massive, nonlinear returns. You aren't just saving a few hours a week here, you are fundamentally multiplying your entire growth trajectory. I want to leave you with this final, provocative thought today. Will you wait for the future, or will you fund it? Will you stay trapped in the identity of the operator just waiting around to see what AI does to your industry? Or will you step up as the fifth lever disruptor, harnessing the bounded power of this incredible genie to orchestrate your own outcomes? The tools are ready, the choice is yours. Thank you so much for joining me in this explainer, and I seriously cannot wait to see what you build.